All right, folks, Friday morning. Inflation data came out yesterday. It was a big number. We expected that. Markets didn't really react. We've got stocks trading into green this morning. They were up small yesterday. Dollar weakened on the news. Seeing a weak dollar once again this morning. Seeing oil trade up just shy of $71 a barrel. A lot of activity in oil lately. So it's Friday. Probably going to be a bit slow heading into the weekend. We've got a summer weekend. Summer sun's coming up. Nice day. People out watering flowers, watering the lawn. Which reminds me, just like plants, grass, everything else needs water, your brain is thirsty for knowledge. Get in there and feed it. If you're looking to trade, take it seriously. Treat it like a craft. Spend some time making yourself better. At Nadex, we provide you with a tremendous amount of education. If you go to our YouTube channel, you could spend days learning how to trade FX, how to trade indices, how to trade in and out of positions, how to use the platform. Use that to your advantage in these slow times. Use this time to get better. Because you know what? Those busy times are going to be back. And you want to be ready for it so you can take advantage of it and take advantage of the opportunity. All right, folks, let's have a good Friday. Let's finish the week strong. Everybody have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay healthy. Enjoy some of that sun. Enjoy some of the summer. All right, we'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.